Mechanical keyboards were never just about typing. People like them because every interaction feels intentional. The sound, the tactile feedback, the feel of each key. Your brain gets a tiny sense of satisfaction every time you type. And somehow, that makes work feel better. That's also why people spend hours customizing them. Because for a lot of people, their desk setup isn't just a workspace anymore. It's part of their identity. Mechanical keyboards became popular for the same reason people still love vinyl records, film cameras, or luxury watches. The experience itself feels satisfying. And honestly, people enjoy technology more when interacting with it feels human.